This is a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. We're going to go ahead and replace the license plate lights. These are two bulbs, and then one of them is burned out and the other one is not always working well. And I do know in some states it is illegal to have either one or both of them burned out. So this is a pretty easy fix that you can do yourself. All that you're going to need is bulbs for this replacement in your hands to make this project work. This particular vehicle is a number 168. I'm actually putting in LED bulbs, and I'll put a link in the description. I got a multi-pack, I think it was a 10-pack, for pretty cheap versus just buying kind of one or two at a time. So you're going to take this housing and push it away from the truck. And as you do that, you can get in on the back side and pull it out. And that exposes right here. And as you press that in and twist, you'll see the bulb, and the bulb is pretty burned out. I'm going to go ahead and pull it. You can see that one is most definitely burned out. It's got kind of a glaze over it. So we'll go ahead and put a new one. These ones are LEDs inside of it. And sometimes the little bracket does like to fall out inside. It is a little metal bracket, which I believe it did so. Yep. And that little bracket just goes back on right there. So that little bracket did come out. You go ahead and put your light bulb back inside and twist it about 1/4 of a turn. You do want this set to where the light is shining on there. Same concept, you push in, and then back that way. So same thing for the other side here. The goal is we're gonna go ahead and pull backwards and then pull out. And the bracket stayed on this time, that metal bracket. Go ahead and take your wire and twist. Take your bulb out. Put your new bulb in. Go ahead and twist. Same concept, don't put it like this because that'll shine the light this way. You want to put it towards there, and you push in and down. Let that sit back down. I'm gonna pull it out just a little bit so we can test it to make sure it worked. So this is what it looks like when it's complete at night. You can see the LEDs in there, just like that. One thing I would suggest, if you are having issues with the LEDs working, sometimes they do have polarity issues, which means you pretty much have to take the bulb and turn it 180 degrees and put it in. These ones did not, but I do know some of the LEDs, they have to be in a certain direction. And those are pretty bright LEDs. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel to help me out. Thank you guys so much for watching.